welcome back to my channel. Look what I got in the mail. This is from Melissa, the Succulent Home. She sent me a gift. How sweet. I'm excited. I did see her Instagram, so I kind of have an idea what I'm getting, but I'm excited. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what I got here. You guys, I know many of you guys follow her on Instagram and watch her channel, but if you don't, you need to totally check her out. Sorry guys, I was interrupted. So like I was saying, if you guys have not subscribed to her channel, you need to totally check her out because I love her energy. She's such a positive, upbeat person. She makes me laugh, and that's what I like. And she's just really sweet. I really like her. Let's see what I got. And she lives in California, so her Lowe's is always really good. Look at this. I don't know. Maybe I think I might know what this is. Something else, not sure, but glad to have it. Let's see what else. Let me see what else. Aeonium. Girl, I've been having a tough time with aeoniums. They don't like me, but look how pretty. I'm gonna put it in my greenhouse. The ones in the front that I put in the front, I think one dried out that I got from another fellow YouTuber. Only one dried out, and I think that's about it. But the ones that I bought that I put in the backyard on the other side, they're pretty much gone. So this one I'm going to keep in my greenhouse. Hopefully it grows beautiful. I wonder if I should water it, right? Aeoniums. I don't know when to water right now. Oh, this is big. What is this? Oh, wow. Oh, these are the blue chalk sticks, right? Wow, this is a big one. Look at that. So I know why this happens. This probably was upright, but because it's traveling and it kind of bent, but they do tend to correct themselves. So I'll just have to, this one broke off here, but it's okay because it'll propagate. I will just have to pot it up and give it some bright light for it to straighten itself out. And I do believe it will. Many of them have always straightened themselves out for me, so we'll see. But yeah, some of those plants, they're just like that. They kind of turn on their side. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. So many nice goodies. Wow, look at this beauty. It's so fat too. How cute is that? Chunky aloe. I think she called this the Christmas aloe. I think it's really pretty. I like how chunky and the red edges. Really nice. I see something. Ooh, wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, she's so red edges and it's heavy. She's so pretty. Oh wow, I really like her. Thank you so much. I'm excited. Very excited. Okay, I think I know this one. This is the man. When she pulled out that big aloe, it was so beautiful, and the pups, I'm like, I want to find something like that. It's so funny. I said it, but I kept it to myself when I said it. You know how you speak out loud while you're watching? And then she's like, oh, I'm going to send you one. Look at how pretty is that. That's pretty. Very pretty. It's beautiful. There's still more. Oh, yeah, I saw this one. I've never seen this before, though. It's really pretty. Look at those colors. It does feel fake, like she says. It does. I gotta put it in the greenhouse while it roots for me. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll water it once it roots. Oh my gosh, I can't believe she sent me all these things. Thank you so much. Look at that. Show you guys right here. Uh-oh, don't fall right here. Look at these. Wow. I wish I could make a big arrangement with them all, but I can't because some of them have to root and some of them already rooted. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just keep them separate for now. I'm so excited. Thank you, Melissa. Look at this. That's beautiful. You guys get such beautiful stress colors out there in California. Really nice. I'm excited, guys. Check her videos out. She's so positive, and during this time, that's what we need, guys. We need lots of positivity. So cool. Thank you, Melissa. You know I love you so much. Thank you for taking the time to make videos. I know how that is. So yeah, I appreciate it, and thank you guys so much for watching. Go show her some love, and have a blessed day, guys. Bye.